Hello students, now it is exercise 2.1. Okay, question number 11. So what is the question? The question is, if 1176 is equal to 2 to the power a into 3 to the power b into 7 to the power c, find a, b, c. Okay, given that 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 1176. Okay, so firstly we should obtain the factors of 1176. Okay, in like this, taking out LCM of 1176, we get 2 to the power cube, because here is 3 2's. Okay, here only 1 3, so we take 3 to the power 1, and here 2 7, so we take 7 to the power 2. Okay, is equal to what? This is equal to this, so we put the values in place of 1176, this value. Okay, we put. Now by comparing, we get 2 to the power 3 here 2 to the power a, so a is equal to 3. We write here 3 to the power 1, here 3 to the power b, so we write base same, so we write b is equal to 1, and here 7 to the power 2, here 7 to the power c, so here we write c is equal to 2. Okay, now what is question number 13? If a is equal to x into y to the power p minus 1, b is equal to x into y to the power q minus 1, and c is equal to x into y to the power r minus 1, prove that a to the power q minus r into b to the power r minus p into c to the power p minus q is equal to 1. Okay, now LHS, here this is LHS part, this is called LHS, and this is called RHS. So LHS part is here, we substitute the values of a, b and c. What is the value of a? This we put the values here, we put the values of b, and here we put the values of c. Now this power multiplied by both x and y. When it multiplied by x, we write simply q minus r, but here y to the power p minus 1 also, so we multiplied both the powers. Okay, similarly here x to the power r minus p, but when we multiplied with y, so q minus 1 into r minus p, here x to the power p minus q, and but here y to the power r minus 1 into p minus q. Okay, now we multiplied all the brackets pq minus pr into q minus minus plus r. Okay, we arrange alphabetically, we write pq, not qp. Okay, here also when qr multiplied, we write qr, and qp multiplied with each other, we write pq, not qp. Okay, we arrange alphabetically always. So, and here we got this value. Okay, we write all the x exponent one side and y exponents other side. Okay, with multiplication sign. There is no sign, so we can use multiplication sign. Okay, now base are same, here all the x's base are same, and here all the y's base are same, so we add all the powers of x, and here we add all the powers of y. Okay, now we can cancel it by plus q minus r plus r minus p plus p Okay, similarly we cancel this one, plus minus q, here plus q, here plus r, here minus r, here plus qr, here minus qr, minus pq plus pq, pq. Okay. So finally we get the result is 0, x to the power 0 into y to the power 0, and we know any power 0, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is formula. So we write 1 into 1 is equal to 1, RHS also 1, so LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, now this is exercise 2.2. Assuming that x, y and z are positive real numbers, simplify each of the following. Here in these questions there are root. Okay, so we solve root by simply. Okay, so at first, this is first question, x to the power minus 3 over root to the power 5. Okay, at first we write it 1 by x to the power 3, because here is formula, when any exponent in minus power we can write it in reciprocal. Okay, so now the root of 1 is 1, but the root of x cube we write x to the power cube over root. Okay, so here we remove the root and put here by 2. Okay, because it is also formula root a is equal to a to the power half, so we divide the powers by half, any powers. Okay, now we multiplied 1 to the power 5 means 1, but here x to the power 3 by 2 into 5 is equal to 3 5s are 15 by 2, so the result is 1 by x to the power 15 by 2. Here question number 2, x to the power cube y to the power minus 2, so we write y in reciprocal form, so we can write x to the power cube by y to the square. Here also root, so we remove the root and write power half. Okay, so this power is multiplied by both x and y, so we multiplied it by x cube and also y square. So here x to the power 3 by 2, but here power 2 power 1 by 2, so 2 cancel, so we write here y, so the result is x to the power 3 by 2 into y, simply write. Okay.